are now curious. Go on. When's it going to be on?
It'll never be on.
Well, but that's how you make discoveries.
Yeah, I think the discoveries are going to be in the failure.
Not doing that again.
Discoveries seem to be in the failure of this past.
But isn't that how discoveries are made? Generally. Do you know what I mean? That's how discoveries are made. It doesn't work, but it works for something else.
So we've added some more material to it, but in a little sort of a twang, what we added to it was a piece of an old cylinder block that was cast for a pre-war Maserati. Now Citroen and Maserati had a marriage for a short period. They used a Maserati engine in one of their cars. The Citroen SM had a Maserati in it. So even though we've added a bit of foreign material, as in foreign from another source, it was destined for a Maserati, so I kind of thought that would be okay. We've just been talking about Brexit, you know, and so there's 3 countries there from Europe, you know, Italy, France and England, you see. In your furnace? In our furnace.
Come on then. Who's singing? Who's singing?
Original. I don't think I've heard of that one before. Up through the tunnel.
That's it, up through there.
Well, that's an interesting observation, if nothing else. I wish you well. And I look forward to seeing it up there. Yeah. As I said on the way back, and it's worth repeating, it won't pass its MOT.
Drum roll, man. Drum roll. Memory to June.
Right then, John, do your wrist.
Okay.
One shovel.
I think I put the